Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how to add music to your Facebook story. So let's open Facebook story and let's take a picture. Okay, once you take a picture, on the top you can see the sticker button, tap there. Now you can see music sticker, tap there, and you can choose from the song given here. I can't play any song here because of copyrights, so just choose the song from here. And Facebook will give you 15 seconds of the song to choose from. So once you are done, click done. You can tap on the thumbnail to change the display size, and once you are done you can click share to your stories. Go back. So that's all guys. Likewise you can use music sticker in Facebook stories. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.